I'm interior designer and architect Luca Andrisani. Benvenuti to my apartment in Soho. The apartment is located within the first residential tower ever built by star architect Renzo Piano in New York City. The building is super modern and features apartments with very tall ceilings and windows that wrap around the entire facade. And to contrast the minimalist exterior, I wanted the interiors to feel glamorous and sophisticated, but yet comfortable and inviting. With the entryway, I really wanted to set up the tone for the entire apartment. The entire walls were dramatically covered with black and white optical art. The lamp, the carpet, the pillows, even the umbrella stand are covered with patterns that are complex and trick the eye. To balance the starkness of the art and add some warmth, I introduced an Art Deco console, which is in walnut, and a parchment bench. Finally, I selected a wall light fixture with a complex layering of glass and metal that not only creates a beautiful lighting effect, but it is a work of art on its own. Right off the entryway, we have this open great room, and I wanted each area to have its own spirit. The living room is the place where my family and I entertain or simply watch a movie on a lazy Sunday night. I wanted this room to feel very glamorous, almost like if you were in a 1930 Milanese bourgeois home, where the attention to details and perfection feel almost obsessive. The furniture primarily consists of vintage pieces reupholstered in rich fabrics, cottons and velvets. To add some theatricality to the room, I selected this incredible Italian chandelier with geometric pendants, a 7-foot-tall ginkgo leaf brass floor lamp, and these beautiful hand-embroidered drapes. Like everywhere else in the apartment, the art is displayed in a seemingly random layout, which not only helps to create some visual interest, but like in this case, helps to distract from the TV. Finally, to add some humor to my design, I introduced this super colorful hand-painted folding screen and scattered around several playful accessories. In the middle of the great room, we have the dining area. I stayed away from bulky pieces of furniture and instead selected a very gracious table and chairs. To tie this area with the living room, I used a bold emerald green fabric with a strong geometrical pattern. I installed these whimsical fornasetti dishes on the nearby wall and chose this very playful centerpiece for the dining table. Now, the study is really my favorite part of the apartment. The overall look is achieved by using exotic materials and mixing them with rich woods, rich upholstery, and a carpet that is super bold in its geometry and colors. And for added privacy, I installed these beautiful white oak floor-to-ceiling sliding doors. For our bedroom, I almost wanted to evoke the same eclectic feeling of the study. I envisioned this room to be a cozy retreat, but still very sophisticated and masculine. I used exotic materials like the horn mirror, the marble side tables, and the green malachite lamps. Finally, to tie in with the optical art that covers most of the walls, I chose furnishing and fabrics with strong geometrical patterns, like this brutalist armoire or this beautiful lattice design of the dresser. And the diamond pattern of the carpet ties everything together. Last but not least, my daughter's room. Just because this is a kid's room, I didn't want to deprive it of the sophistication and glamour that you experience in the rest of the apartment. Therefore, I adapted this vintage dresser and used it as a changing table and installed this gorgeous Art Deco glass mirror right above it. I reupholstered a mid-century sofa and flanked it with Hollywood Regency side tables. And to add a little fun, I introduced these lucite lamps. I hope you've enjoyed taking this journey through my apartment, and I hope I inspired you to always be bold and creative in your own design.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?